So we made it to the Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park. The sand isn't really pink.
Kind of.
It's more orange.
Yeah. The sunglasses help make it coral.
The polarized sunglasses make it coral, but we're gonna go see if we can find some cool spots. There's people riding these boards out here. Maybe I'll give that a try eventually.
Nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room. We're swimming in the mystery.
It is absolutely gorgeous out here.
It was a spontaneous addition to our trip.
But we saw it on Google Maps and we were like, hey, sand dunes.
Yeah.
Out in the middle of the desert. Sounds like you gotta do it.
We're living in the moment. We were born with gold on the inside. Gold on the inside. We're alive. We're sipping on sunshine. We want to taste of this world as the offer. Unafraid, we were made to wander. We will never let it go to waste. No, we're never gonna let it fade. We want to taste of this world as the offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.
Coral Pink Sand Dunes. It's kind of like the Bonneville Salt Flats.
Yeah.
Underrated. This is awesome.
It's really cool.
You can come out here and sandboard. Next time I'm sandboarding. It's kind of expensive to rent, so I didn't do it. All right. Sun is setting. We don't want to get caught in the sand dunes at dark. We're heading back up. We got this like mountain of a sand dune to climb. And hiking in sand is harder than Angel's Landing that we did earlier.
Totally agree.
So much harder. Look at all of this. Unreal. Oh, jeez. Feels like I'm not moving. Feels like I'm just sliding half the time. Oh. Almost did that. Made it. Made it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Made it. Almost there. A little further.
That was incredibly hard.
What's your name?
Miles.
Miles, thank you so much, man. My name's Clay. I'm okay at snowboarding, but this seems a lot different.
That's all snowboard too. That's all I've done. So
All right,
it's pretty similar.
right on.
Right on.
Back, go down.
Oh, hey, can I hand you my phone
Yeah.
and the lens cap? Okay. Miles over here, let me ride. We're gonna try it out, see what happens. Woo! There we go. That's awesome! Whenever you're ready. Just gotta send it.
You're doing great. To wear my sunglasses. Oh, absolutely.
Oh, nice job.
We just sand sledded and sand boarded.
Yes.
It was really fun.
That was a lot of fun. Here we go.
When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.